In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name server settings in Ionos in under 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or transferring your domain to another hosting provider, updating your name servers is an important step. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll walk you through everything so you can follow along bisuhule. Start by going to the Ionos homepage. It's important to use the official website to ensure your changes are secure and accurate. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option to access your account. Next, select Customer Account, then click Sign In again to continue. Enter the email address associated with your Ionos account and click Next. After that, type in your password carefully and click Next again to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Domains and SSL section. This is where all your domain settings are managed, including name server configurations. Find the domain you want to update. Each domain has its own settings, so make sure you select the correct one. Next to your domain name, click on the 3 dots to open more options, then choose Name Server. You'll now see your current name server settings. To change them, select the option for using custom name servers. This allows you to enter new name server details provided by your hosting provider. Carefully input the new name server information exactly as given. Incorrect details can cause your website to go offline or redirect traffic improperly, so double-check everything before moving forward. After entering the new details, click the Save button to apply your changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. They can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully propagate. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name server settings in Ionos. This is an important skill when managing your domain, whether you're launching a new site or switching hosting providers. If you ever run into issues, Ionos has a helpful support team you can contact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.